audio. When you skip me, you kill me. When you skip me, you kill my family. What are you waiting for? What should I do for you to help my family? What are you waiting? Where is humanity? Where the people of humanity? Where? Imagine my family as your family. Where is humanity? I cannot understand why people don't help me. I cannot understand. Please don't say you cannot, you can. Press the for button, share my story, use my audio, do anything please. If you have anything, go to the link now and donate.